A new forensic pathology report claims the death of a young woman in a Monaghan canal was due to a violent physical assault and not accidental. Catherine Fegan reports that the body of Kelly Marie Lynch was discovered in the Ulster Canal on the morning of Sunday, March 17th, 2024, and Gardaí later confirmed that her death was not being treated as suspicious. She lived across the border in Guildford, County Armagh with her parents, but had been staying in Monaghan town for the weekend. There were 93 separate injuries on her body, and the death was initially treated as suicide and then an accidental fall. However, her family have campaigned for her case to be upgraded to murder over suspicions surrounding her death. A private forensic report commissioned by the Lynch family with the help of the Katie Trust has found that the manner of death in the 23-year-old's case is homicide. The Katie Trust is led by retired PSNI detective James Brannigan, who investigated the killing of show jumper Katie Simpson. Miss Simpson's death was initially treated as suicide by police. An autopsy was performed on Miss Lynch on March 18th, and her death was determined to be due to drowning. A review by a second forensic pathologist determined that Miss Lynch died as a result of hypothermia. Mr. Brannigan recently engaged the services of a medical examiner in the US to review Miss Lynch's autopsy findings. According to the findings of this report, Miss Lynch did not fall and did not jump to her death. It has also been concluded that she did not drown and did not succumb to the effects of hypothermia. The contents of the report, seen by the Irish Independent, have been provided to An Garda Síochána. Mr. Brannigan said the findings of the expert report raised serious concerns and that some of the findings indicate injuries that were inflicted post-mortem.